So today's episode is awesome. I'm gonna go meet Rob and Kelly with Christian. What are you doing?
Come check this out.
Okay. Let me see. Yeah.
Is he getting any of that?
Ball power. Anyway, Christian's here. I'm gonna go meet them. I think they're gonna park at like a Home Depot. They literally just flew in. We are going to surprise the 2 millionth Tiege Hanley box customer. Did that make sense? Did I say that right? We're gonna go meet the 2 millionth box customer. Christian's gonna film it, I'm gonna vlog it, and we're gonna surprise him. Does that sound fun? If it sounds fun, why don't you drop me one of these? Are you excited?
I'm so excited. Let's go.
How's your ball powder? Wait, whoa. This just got R-rated. I'm gonna get demonetized. All right, let's get in the car. You got the swag?
Yeah, do we want to show them now or later?
We'll show you later. Anyway, it's already gotten off to a crazy start. Like, logistically, today's video and this whole, like, covert going to surprise a dude, not exactly going off without a hitch. The first thing I get this morning was Rob saying my flight's an hour and a half delayed. Kelly is literally at the airport waiting for Rob to pick him up, and then we're going to meet and kind of get everything ready. Yo, Rob, what's going on? Did you make it?
I made it.
Are you with Kelly yet?
I am with Kelly.
All right.
We are driving.
You're driving. You're okay. Good. I'm driving too.
They're gonna beat us there.
All right.
So Home Depot park.
Somewhere, huh?
So Home Depot. What's like less likely for somebody to get towed at Home Depot or a grocery store?
Grocery store.
Okay. Well then, right across the street from the Home Depot is a Publix. It's a grocery store. Let's meet in that parking lot.
Let's do that. 12:15.
12:15. Okay. Cool. Later. Bye.
All right, bye.
They're here, gentlemen. Let's go see if we can find them.
Your car's still running?
Yeah.
Is that normal?
He's ready to go.
What's up, man? See you.
What's happening?
How are you?
Doing good.
What's up?
What's up, man?
This is
Christian.
I'm filming this for my Alpha
see ya.
Empire.
Doing good.
What's up, everyone? Where's your uncomplicated shirt?
I'm getting on. When I left
Smooth.
Chicago, it was 60 degrees.
Really?
I'm like, I gotta have a shirt over top. Dude, your shirt's nicer looking than my shirt. Keep yours fresh.
You guys sent me like 12 of them, so I have a bunch of them.
So you get fresh every time?
So what's the plan today? Kelly, tell everybody on the Alpha Empire channel what's going down.
2
Million?
million boxes.
Yeah?
Today's the box.
So
Today's the day.
So who is this dude?
He's a great customer of ours. He's been with us for a while. He's an awesome Tiege guy. Loves our products, loves our company. And he's gonna get his 2 millionth box hand delivered by the three of us, you, me, and Rob, the founders
I'm excited.
of the company.
And after this, we're gonna go back to my office and hang out a little while?
We may, yeah.
What do you mean, May?
Look at
Rob,
this.
what's happening?
What's up, guys?
Good to see you. It's
So
been
tell
a long time
everybody
since the Trace Amigos has been together.
How this is all going down today. So what's the plan?
Well, we're gonna sneak up on Blake, and we're gonna have.
How do you know he's home?
I have communicated with him.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not a total surprise.
Okay.
But
He knows something's happening.
he knows something's happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
He knows it's a special day for Tiege
Special day for Tiege Hanley.
I don't think he knows that he's gonna get a year's worth of Tiege Hanley on us for being such a great guy, and I think we're gonna like interview him.
What
Oh,
else?
yeah?
What else do we
Yeah.
bring?
I don't know. I got the box in my car.
We got plenty of stuff.
I don't know. I have no idea.
All right, well,
This
let's
is
see it.
okay.
Let's see what we got.
All right, let's see what we got. Are we walking? Because he's literally like right down the road. I mean,
Let's go. Let's walk.
Let's walk?
do it. Let's get there.
Christian, you need to start filming this.
Guest
I know.
parking.
There's too
So
many
I know. All right. So the vlog is about to stop. We're gonna go do this.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna not bring my camera for this.
No,
that's
to
why
be
I got him.
determined.
We don't need you.
All right.
That's angle B.
Does that?
Yeah, that's right.
You see how this is going?
B.
Uncomplicated. Not. Huh?
Who's leading?
I don't know.
Let's figure this out. So
We probably should
You-
drive over to
you
all
want
this
to
stuff.
do the car interview, the pre-interview thing, kind of like what you guys just did. Now you want to do that later?
Yeah, we'll do that.
We're just
We'll do
cutting
that after.
straight to
Yep.
you guys meeting him at the door.
We'll do the car scene after. Right?
Car scene after. Okay,
scene
I'm gonna
after.
set up kind of like Aaron.
We need a boss.
Uncomplicated, like I said. Anyway, so yeah, it's fun. I haven't seen these guys in a while, but anyway.
It's here.
This is
All right,
for
let's see what we got.
We got a hat, we got a sweatshirt, we got a t-shirt, we got stuff.
All right. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see this. We got all the Mac Daddy swag here. Awesome, uncomplicated hat. Awesome, uncomplicated t-shirt. Oh, baby.
Oh,
The Office uncomplicated sweatshirt. I don't know if these are available anywhere else. But great hoodie.
wait, when they get black strings? The one I have is white
Yeah,
strings.
This is the new version, new edition.
I don't even get that.
2.0. Oh man, got a product tray, got all of our product. This is amazing. All right.
And
good.
we're gonna give him a year's worth of T. Shanley.
That's right. That's right.
Cool.
He's been with us for like 4 years.
4 years. Hey, you got something in your teeth. You got it. That's just something. A little pro tip, gentlemen. If you got friends, their flies down, their shoelace untied, they got toilet paper hanging out the back of their pants, they got something in their teeth. Let them know. Just be like, hey, huh? Yeah. Just let them know. Say, hey, you got a little something there. It's better to do that than have them suffer the humiliation of later in the day figuring out, oh my gosh, I've had crap in my teeth the whole time.
You guess how my teeth look.
You got something on your nose.
Good. Oh, that's it. You know why? I was at the dermatologist.
Yeah.
Had a little pre-cancer there. They just whacked it,
Boom.
and it's still.
Go to the dermatologist, gentlemen. Oh yeah, you're good now.
You got the message on black.
Huh?
You got the message on black.
Oh, all black on black. The fit, what? Going casual today, gentlemen. I don't know if I have to run or scale anything. Rob?
We don't want them to work too hard.
Yep. All right. Christian?
All right, cut for a second so I can figure this out with you.
Let's do it. All right. I should buckle up.
You got something on? Let's hear some coffee house or the Paws.
Continue straight onto Vinnings Central Trace Southeast, then turn right to stay on Vinnings Central Trace Southeast.
A little nervous.
Why?
Building 10.
Building, which building?
Building
Towards 10.
There's 9
8,
there.
10's to the right.
10 right here.
10 right here. Okay.
Let's go, Blake.
Which number? Which number is
You have
it?
arrived.
We've arrived.
Film you.
So we just got done the sit-down interview with Blake, and it was awesome. Why don't I introduce you to Blake? Come on. Blake, you want to say hi to my Alpha Empire channel?
Not full time. I'm sorry. Oh, hey.
Everybody, this is Blake. Blake
going on?
is the 2 millionth box customer, and we just got done sitting down and talking for about 15-20 minutes. And this guy at 32 years old is way ahead of any one of Rob.
Put us all to shame.
Yeah, exactly. He's an ass-kicking, amazing dude, and he's literally been at T. Shanley now for like how many boxes?
A whole bunch. How many, Rob?
87.
87. He's a great customer.
You're amazing. Thanks, brother. All right, now we gotta go. So how'd it go?
Awesome. Blake's a great guy. Really fortunate.
How surprised do you think he was?
Extremely.
You think so?
Yeah, I think he was very surprised.
That was great.
Awesome.
Christian?
That was awesome.
Amazing.
He is a great guy.
He is like, let me tell you something.
He
He's
represents Tej Nation.
he is an ass kicker. Like he's crazy, like successful and just put together, and I really love what he was saying about just the routine, and he really has made some big changes in his life, and it's amazing.
Yep.
Just to see how together some of you guys are. All right, gentlemen, that is officially a wrap. I was gonna have them sit down, but they don't have time. They're actually on their way to go to the airport to catch their flight. But anyway, down below, if you're interested in watching the full video and the interview, I'm gonna link to it down below. It was pretty awesome, and I think you guys are definitely gonna dig it. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.